So this was shared with me, so I can share it with you. And these are lights. They work for the interior of your car, and they have a USB charging setup here for them. And they have these little magnets, so they can, wherever you want to put them on your car, you just put this part up there, and then they stick to it. So, put this open here. So, whoop, there's a bright, this is like blue. So you can use these to set an ambiance in your car. You can put them under your seat, by your feet, glove compartment. You do want to be careful with your state laws because some states have laws about blues and reds being used, but you can use them in the bottom or whatever. That's fine. And it comes with 4 different ones. Let's see if we can get the other ones out here. There's a pink. There it goes green. A couple different. They switch colors. And there. So there's a total of 4 here. And they're nice and bright. And they'll light up your area. So I will go take these out to the car and show you what they look like inside the car. But you could also use them in closets or things like that too. Or in maybe for movie night, have some fun. But anyway, I'm going to go show them in the car. So before we head out there, to see the different colors, you just touch there. And there is 7 different options for colors. So I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up very well, but those are your options there. It does include this cord. And this cord is one USB, and it actually will charge all 4 of them. So you're just going to plug them right there into the end in order to charge them. And that's just your standard USB charger there. So here I'm out in the car. And I just come to show what they look like here. So if I wanted to just have one here that I can use the sticky stuff and put it on the console. And then you could even put one over here on the driver's side, put it up in there. And then I will shut the door so you can see what that looks like if I can get the lights to go off here. So then you see here, this is the sticky part there on the back. So you can just pull that off and then you can hang it wherever. It sticks to this piece of metal here and then you can just hang it wherever. Has an adhesive strip there on this side. So we'll just put that there. So then here you can see how it just reflects in the, this is it on red, obviously. You can change it to the green. There's more of the green there if you wanted to do a green reflective light on the inside there. There's also, we got the blue. Going to do more of a blue light. Anyway, just kind of a cool way to change the ambiance and color of your interior of your car, or even your house, a closet, anything like that. Movie night, have some fun for Halloween. Set these out in a pumpkin or some glow. Lots of ideas. So check them out.